Hi beautiful soul, I'm so happy to be with you here today to share with you another video that will help you to self-soothe and heal yourself on your own time. So for you who don't know me, I am Julie, I am an intuitive, and I am here with my purpose to counsel, to teach and share intuitive message for you to transform your life and yourself to really become your true authentic being. And so today the video I am bringing, it's about intuitive writing. And why I want to bring this for you is because, like I say, it's a technique that really helps you to self-soothe on a time, where you feel you need to reach out for some answer when actually everything is within you. It's all about your intuition, and all about intuition is actually having faith and believe that what we feel, our first gut feeling, is the right one. And so this technique, what I want to share it because I myself had a really hard time to actually getting into that technique. And actually, since I have, I think there is a time for everything in life, and you are ready or you're not. And when I felt ready to actually diving into that technique, it has changed my life. It has changed my behavior with others and with myself, and have really given me the tools to go within and be able to sort out my own challenge and my own issue and feeling self-soothing. And that's the most beautiful gift we can give to ourselves, and I really wanted to share this technique with you. So what I would like to explain you is how does intuitive writing work. And I want to say intuitive writing, but you can also mix other things like drawing, which I feel really go alongside each other. So the way intuitive writing work is that you tune in with a part of yourself that is beyond your consciousness. And so by actually tuning and letting the thinking and the sense and the learning go away and go and reach a door that is beyond that you access through an exercise of relaxation and meditation before you get into this, you have access to the subconscious mind. And the subconscious mind is going to bring you, actually when you put it on a blank page, it's going to bring you the solution that you actually were looking for, that you couldn't access from actually just a thinking mind. And I find that's incredible because all the answers go there, and it bring us to our truth, to actually what is beyond the cluttering of the mind and the parasite that come and talk to us. We have an access to a quiet space, and through the writing, through the drawing, without actually thinking and judging and having guilt about what's going on, we just let it go on a blank page. And I just love that. And so I'm going to really take you through that technique, and you'll see it's quite easy, and I really recommend to do it really as often as you can, because it's by working. I always say work a little every day. It's the same with exercise. If you do a little every day, you get way more benefit and change within yourself than actually doing a long time once a week. So if you can implement that in your daily routine with your meditation or with your exercise, that will be such of an amazing gift for yourself. And so I'm going to explain you where we're going with that. And it's a really, really other type of journaling. So if you are used to journal, it's a complete different process. And I really invite you to do this one, to discover something else and to be open to it, What I have experienced myself is that sometimes when I start to lay out things on the paper, I find that guilt were coming up. Can I write that? And I think it's very important to write about these things as well, because they part of the process of breaking these limitation and being like scared that someone will read. And if you are actually scared that someone will read, just burn it after. But I think the process of actually expressing also all this fear along the way, it is always self-healing at the same time. invite you to follow me into that beautiful process that I'm going to guide you in just right now. Alright, I'm going to bring you into this journey now so you can close your eyes and find a comfortable position and start to breathe deeply into yourself and feeling that you are here right now. Feel that you're anchoring yourself into the ground and that you're feeling yourself connecting to the sky, letting that energy come through you from the top of your head and let it go down gently. Beautiful. So now you take your book and you're going to come and find a blank page where you will be able to let come what has come and just start and just let come anything that has to come. There is no rules around it. It's just really free flow writing and feeling everything that's coming out. No judgment, no guilt, just letting everything that flow out of yourself and take your time into that. All right, really take your time. Beautiful. If you want to find some colors as well, please do. And just let it really settle in. Free flow is really the answer in this work, letting everything that needs to come out. There's no restriction at all. So you can see, you have pencil, marker, just enjoying a time for yourself. It's really a moment of connection with you. It's really a meditative time. And it can take about, sometimes 5-10 minutes, sometimes a bit longer, but it doesn't take much to actually get all out of you. And you feel it when you have reached everything out. You feel when everything has been said. Alright, now just close your book gently. And just take a deep breath in and just connect to the book and really with lots of gratitude for what has come. Just thanks everything that has been seen and understood, and that will travel within you for the rest of the day. Now if you are keen on that, I love having my deck next to me, and I always really love to pull a card for myself. And this is really my deck, so I really invite you to choose your own. And I really put my energy into it and ask for a message to come for me that could guide me even deeper into this work that I just done. And I let flip out one of the cards like this one. And I connect with it first to see what is the message that is wanting to be told to me right now before actually going to the book. I just tune in to see if there is anything to be said before intuitively. And then I look at the card, and that's where I take the book and go and find the meaning of it. If I want more answer about it, more guidance, and I let myself being really fulfilled by the whole process that I just done, that I felt really guided for. Sometimes you even feel that you connect even deeper than your subconscious, but actually you start to connect with your guide, and they help you within that process as well. just let them embrace everything that has to come to you. And then close your book and put your deck away. And this is the end of the process. Alright, beautiful people, so I'm so happy to have shared this technique with you, and I really hope this brings some things into your life. Again, please take what resonates with you, making your own. You know, there is no one right way to do things. So if you feel that something else that you're doing is helping you to go into that process, please go for it. You know, be creative and find actually what work for you. And so if you like this type of video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm here every week with a beautiful message for the collective to help you, you know, get some answer for your life that are quite beautiful. And I just love what I can bring, and I hope that this really bring something to yourself. But listen to your intuition always and take what resonates. And I thank you so much again, and I will see you in another video. And if there is any topics you would like me to share, please comment down below and let me know what you would like to know. I'm wishing you a wonderful day or night, and I'm going to see you next week. Beautiful. Bye.